Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension is called Tic Tac Toe. It is a online game like play Tic Tac Toe for fun. Tic Tac Toe is a classic geological game, like it is built in JavaScript and it is open source code. So for this what we need to do, add to Chromie, and I am adding it as an extension. It has already been downloaded, you can see. So this is the playing start. So I'm new and here is saying try to get in 5 row. So they have choose the cross and I'm going to choose the round shape. Okay, so let's see who's going to win the match. Well, and they're making me, and they're very clever, you know. I never could do it, but I'm trying. I wish I could do. Well, they're making it. I can't let it. And well, yes, they're very clever, you know. So this is how we can play. I have already lost it. So it's a brain game. So if you want to win, you have to pay more attention in it. So this is how you can play tic tac toe. Thank you for watching.